bad work. I'm so excited. Lee Smith. He's driving again. We're traveling. He's thrilled.
I didn't hear what you said.
I said we're traveling.
We are moving. We're on the move.
We're on the move. Dirty Deeds is on another adventure. Because that's why we put so much time and effort in this truck, is to take it on little adventures. And now that it's moving around, we just can't stand ourselves. Any little opportunity we got to go do a little something, we're gonna go do a little something.
Over 3 miles in Corbin.
Run all the way downtown.
Downtown Corbin, yeah.
Downtown Corbin. Guys, so today is the first of many that happens over the year of Cumberland Valley Cruising. They cruise everywhere. It's for all the hot rods and fancy cars and cool stuff. And we're going to take Dirty Deeds, because I think Dirty Deeds is pretty fancy and cool.
I think it'd look cool with all the old cars.
It would. I think so. I think it's going to set up pretty with all the old cars.
We'll be the large car in that group.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully they let us in, buddy.
I know, right? They might run us off.
We're a little bigger than all them other hot rods.
Right, a little bigger.
A little bigger. Maybe they could squeeze us in, though. Give us an extra seat
We'll
or something.
take up 10 spots.
Yeah. In this little bitty downtown. Guys, if you guys didn't see, I went to Cumberland Valley Cruising last year and took the old Ford.
Yeah.
Yeah, me and Case took the old Ford down there and we did a little walking around and showing you guys. But guys, we live in a little bitty town, but little bitty town sometimes brings really cool stuff. So we're going to the tiny town and we are going to show this big ride off. Things are rolling pretty smoothly, Smith.
Pretty good. We got a few things to check out on it.
Well, that's the point in driving at these little test runs. So when we go on a long trip, we ain't finding out all the oopses then.
Yeah.
Heck,
Time to fix it now.
this thing's been in a million pieces for years.
Right.
Heck, we've been working on it just a year and a half, but before that, you had it tore apart pretty much.
Yeah.
We also decided to take the scenic route.
Right.
We're gonna see just how tight of spots we can fit this 300-inch wheelbase. I tell you what, makes you I feel like I'm standing 10 foot tall and bulletproof riding around this
That's
place.
10 foot tall.
I know that's right.
Pretty close.
Yeah. Oh goodness, guys. Oh, this has been a long time coming. We still ain't done. We still are not done. I mean, Dirty Deeds still got lots of little knickknacks, but this feels good.
Yeah. We're actually doing something with it besides working on it.
Yeah. Makes all that work worth it when you get to actually show a few people.
Pleasure driving it,
Yeah. I tell you what, we had some visitors yesterday, couple sets of visitors. Man, that's nice. I love people get to see it in person.
Yeah.
So people that's been watching our videos for a long time.
Yep. Come all the way from Tennessee, 2 of them did.
Yeah. Yeah, the other ones is local, but it's nice to see somebody and they're like, man, it looks good. That's what you do.
Yeah, pull right up
Pull
front of you.
right in front of the biggest truck you can find. Yeah, Lord. I love getting to show it to people, though, especially the people that's been watching, guys. Any of you all that are going to be close by to any shows we end up at and stuff, it would mean the world to us for y'all to come by and actually see it in person.
Yeah, speak to us.
Yeah,
We
man,
like talking.
we do. We love bullcrapping. That is my favorite pastime. This little road right here is scandalous and sketchy in a regular car.
Yeah.
Really, like on a real note, it's a lot to just drive it. Even in my Mini Cooper, I was like, dang, I gotta take Gordon Hill. Yeah, in the Mini Cooper. I miss the Mini Cooper.
Right.
Oh, R.I.P. Mini Cooper. I'm pretty sure you could have fit the Mini Cooper in the cabin, but
Probably in the sleeper.
probably. Yeah. We could have just took it with us.
Right.
Oh goodness. Now we're almost to town. Biggest city in the world,
We
ain't it?
are in town.
We are in town. Biggest city in the world, huh?
Yeah.
All mile and a half of it.
Oh, 2 miles one end of it.
Yeah. Max.
Max, yeah. Well, yeah, he got out away from me. So you got a hunk.
You got, yeah, I was gonna say that visor, you gotta kind of give it a little something. See, if I was driving, Lee, I could probably see it better.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, you probably do.
One of these days, guys, I'll talk him into it because I have yet to talk him into letting me drive this big beast, and I don't think it's fair. I'm just saying.
We'll get the bugs worked out there.
I feel like he's making as many excuses as he made when I was wanting to start this thing, and he wouldn't. Where's your dad? He's still, oh, there he is. Yeah. Your dad's got a beautiful car.
Oh, he does.
His car.
Having the Monte Carlo Super Sport.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a bad mamma jamma. It's fast too, ain't it?
I don't know. I ain't never drove it. Well, I drove it once.
Yeah.
I didn't get on it. Downtown Corbin.
Down Corbin. Look at our big city life, y'all. It's where all the cool stuff happens. Kinda.
Kind of. Kind of maybe.
Kinda. Or not. Okay, we have a few little car shows, and we do have Nib Rock.
Nib Rock. You gotta have Nib Rock.
You gotta go to Nib Rock. Nib Rock's is like Nib Rock, and then the one town up is London, and that's where the chicken festival is.
Yeah.
The world famous chicken
You
festival.
got Daniel Boone Festival.
Yeah, we got it to Daniel Boone too. It would be cool to take Dirty Deeds to the parade of the Daniel
Parade.
Boone. Wouldn't that be neat?
Might would be.
Ha! We gotta check into that. The little kids giving the old one too. You have to go through their honking. We gotta get some train horns for this truck.
Right.
The big test, y'all. See if they're gonna
Let us in.
let us in. That's gonna.
Might run us off.
They probably will. People are like, are you serious? Hey, yard
That
sale.
pretty truck.
Well, yeah, that's a nice one. Man, yard sales. Lee, I might have to go on a little adventure. What time is it? They don't start till 10.
They got one.
I don't know whether they actually shut down Main Street because they actually shut it down. All the side
Block
roads.
it off.
Yeah, they block it off.
They might use me to block it.
Probably.
No,
I don't know. They got
it.
it blocked. Lord, you won't be able to squeeze through look at there. That's sharp.
Yeah.
Woo.
Good job.
What do you think, guys? You think they're gonna let us in? I mean, I say we race Kane and just park here at the end of the road if they don't let us
We're
in.
gonna have a time.
Look at that. So, let's see if we can squeeze. We better roll this window. Oh, we're gonna move? Oh, they're gonna move. Let's see.
We'll try to give me some room.
They're gonna have to move the tent, the cones. They might have to move that restaurant over there.
coming back late.
Oh, we're coming. We're coming. Let's see.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh, getting better all the
I don't
time.
know if you'll fit through to get to the far end,
No, probably not.
but
Maybe.
Can I park beside this light here in front of Hardy's?
you can.
Well, why don't we just
You
do
might.
that?
Yeah, maybe not at the entrance in case.
Right between them. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
You might make it, Lee. The way they've got them parked, you may make it right through the center and be able to go up
Down
front.
there and back in, where you go?
No,
park
you
it at?
just pull it straight out after when it's closed. That way you're all the way at the, you know what I mean?
I don't know. Let's get out and ask Dad, then we'll take this good.
He's hollering at that guy, mate. Oh, he's gonna stop you. Oh, this guy's gonna tell you hell no.
Daddy,
How do you like parking up here?
yeah, we was talking about.
You get down
No, that's what we was talking about. It's taking about right here in front of Hardy's, between the two, right underneath that lamp post.
Well, you can. They're about to run out of space down there. If you can get there, straddle it. We can't block there. We can't.
Yeah. I ain't gonna block it. I'm just right between the two. Yeah, that'll work.
Main Street, they end up quit.
Right.
Hey, wait, we're the far end.
Well, they say they don't think I can get down through there. What?
That car down there, you can get protest.
Where can I park that down there? Wonder where I can park that down there.
Well, down that far end, if you go over to the side, we gotta go to the far end anyhow.
Well, I'm gonna park over here by this lamp post for a minute, then figure it out, or call me, or well, I don't know.
Well, down through there.
Well, let's try it. I don't care.
We're going to the front, boys.
I guess.
By
Looks
God.
awful grounded down through there to me.
Hey, everybody down there gonna be mighty hard.
Right.
We'll be careful. We'll be careful. Get skinny. Well, guys, we're going to try not to destroy anything right here. I think we'd be just fine. We'd be just fine.
It's tight.
Yeah, it is.
Real tight. We need a plate maybe in front of that class of 94.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to make some stuff to stage in front of it. Everybody,
Getting even tighter down there.
it'll be all right. We're good. You got 3 foot over here. Everybody videoing and taking pictures, look. You're all right. You got 3 foot on my side.
I don't know where.
You're all right. You got much. You got it though. Oh, we made it, and we didn't hit anybody, and we're getting bored. Alright guys, so let's look at these scores. I may have to mute some because they got a lot of music playing, but let's say I'll take you off for a walk through. There's so many here. It's crazy. Well, y'all, sorry about the little run through, but they's playing a lot of music down there, so you guys will have to hear the crappy YouTube approved music. But what about all those cars? Something, right? Lee Smith,
You
we came, we saw,
had a good time.
we did. We had a ball. We got to meet a bunch of people, and people seem to love the truck.
Oh, we've had a ton of people look at it and love it.
Yeah, it's been fun. Oh my gosh, I've loved it.
That makes it work.
It about does, yeah. It about makes all that hard work. We didn't ever think we'd see a Saturday without having to sit in the garage with it.
I know. This is like I said, one of the first Saturdays I've had it, I wasn't working on it.
Yeah, yeah. But guys, it's been awesome. This ain't gonna be a long video, but we've had a ball. We're gonna enjoy it a little more. Hey, I'm determined. I think we should just go drive around town and, you know,
Take it for a cruise.
take it for a cruise. That's what everybody else is doing with all their nice cars.
Right.
But guys, we're gonna get out of here. We just wanted to bring you along a little bit. But we love you all, and we'll see you on the next one.